Hi, welcome to my video. So this video I was saying I'm gonna do a little unboxing on this mini form computer I got. So this box is pretty heavy. For a little mini computer, I find it's pretty heavy. So this is the unboxing experience. So you got some stuff here. This manual. And the computer itself. This feels like metal. I think it is metal. People say it's not metal, but I think it's metal. It is fucking heavy. So this is the device itself. They got some stickers all over it. But anyway, I'll take it apart later. Well, so this thing is metal. People say that I saw reviews and say that it's plastic. This is metal. Like that is metal. I mean, it feels like metal. It is metal, but it's heavy. It has weight to it. You know what I mean? This is what's really cool about this thing. You just do that, and you can open up, and basically you can get to the NVMe disk and the memory and all that stuff really easily. In the back of this thing, you have two NIC, 2.5 gigabits. You got two HDMI. You have two USB Type C port. You got two USB 3.2 and power supply. In the front, you get two more USB 3.2. You get a mic / audio jack. Also a CMOS reset and another USB Type C. And that's it. This thing here is the Intel Core i5 12600H. Just has it can go up to 4.5 gigahertz max speed. So you know it has 12 cores, so 8 cores and 4 cores efficiency cores, or I forgot what they're called. There's 4 E cores and 8 cores, which makes it 12 cores, like a hybrid. This comes with 32 gigabytes of memory that are 3200 megahertz. It comes with a 512 gigabyte NVMe disk, but I do have a 1 terabyte disk with Nix OS on it. Apparently this comes with Windows Home Edition, so on the drive it's probably another Windows system. I do have a SSD which I'm gonna put inside there, which will be Windows Professional, Windows 11 Professional, not Home Edition. So this thing comes with, this is the power brick, and this is the HDMI cable. It comes with HDMI cable, which I don't need. This is to plug into the power brick, and then the power brick plugged into the mini computer. And then you have a mountain thing. And you also have, this is for the SSD, so you open it up. The SSD also clamps in here. You got screws to screw the SSD inside, and then you just use this adapter to hook it up pretty much to the device itself. It's a very nice computer. I'm gonna play with it now because I just got it, but I just want to do a little quick unboxing. You know, like first impression, and yeah, it's made out of metal. The build quality is a lot better than the B-Link, and it's a lot powerful too. And I paid a lot less for this. This is a really nice little machine. I gotta say, people say that this wasn't plastic. It's plastic. It's metal. It feels like metal because like it's cold in Canada. And metal gets cold and it feels really cold. Like the plastic part does not feel cold, but the metal part, like the frame, it feels like a coal to it. Kind of feels like my Mac Mini M1. It has the same kind of, like, it's heavy, and plastic is light. And I have a B-Link that's made out of plastic, and it's light. This is heavy. This has some weight to it, and I like it. It feels really, actually feels pretty industrial, if that's the word for it. But this is a good little machine, and I'm happy. And I'm gonna hook it up. I got all the things set up there. I just got to plug all my things: Ethernet, HDMI. I got my audio. I got my USB stuff. I got mouse and keyboard over there, ready to go, ready to rock and roll. And I also got my Nix OS already set up for the machine. Maybe I have to set up the drivers because the configuration file keep messing up out, but I'll figure it out. Anyways, I will do some more reviews, but it will probably be a screencast of the system running, and probably do some live videos of the machine. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can also use Hackintosh on this video. This is a pure Intel machine, so it might be possible. Anyways, we'll see. Anyways, have a good one, guys. Cheers.